Hello everybody, Mr. Kentucky here, and welcome back to a new GodCraft survival episode. And today is a sad day because, well, it's not really a sad day, but it also is. We got some donkeys, and I had a horse, but it died probably, or I've lost it. We don't know, because when I came on the server, or we came on the server, and I want to actually start this episode with my horse, or on my horse, it was gone, and we don't know where it went. It could have been killed by like a block, because the stable, or the temporary stable isn't big enough, and it kind of glitched into the wall and it died. And I think that's what happened, which is something really poor, and I have to cry. And I want to do two things, and that is, we're going to make the chicken cooker in my base, and I actually want to make a horse stable right there. But if you don't have a horse, we can't make a stable. Well, we can, but no, without a horse we can't make a stable. So yeah, let's get into my base, and what we're going to do is we're going to make a chicken cooker. And here, wait a minute, here we're gonna build one. Yeah, here. So let's get the stuff to make it, of course. And there will be a link in the description to a tutorial by Shizuma Void on how to make the chicken cooker. So here's a chest. This is all we need: a lava bucket, some carpet, glass, some stone, a dispenser, a chest, some hoppers, redstone, comparator, a redstone, and these stuff, just put them in, and some eggs. But I'm going to make a time lapse of it, so it's a bit faster. And I think this is going to be a shorter episode than we are used to. But I'm maybe going to show you some stuff, so maybe the episode will be a bit longer. And what I'm going to show you is probably GodCraft's new base, or he finished his base. There will be a link to his channel where you can see his video. What else? I want to maybe let you see the iron farm, and a new farm we are building, and something in the nether where what you will see, well, later this video. So first I'm gonna place this chest here, and we're gonna dig this out real quick, just like that. Place it, maybe replace it, just for some light, like that. Or maybe I can make a small tutorial of this. Well, no, I'm not going to do that. I'm going to make a time lapse of it. So I hope you enjoy this time lapse, and I'll see you guys in a second. Welcome back everybody, and that was a time lapse. Wow. As you probably saw, I had quite some fails. First of all, I jumped into I fell into the lava. Then I placed water on the lava, so it became obsidian. So I had to get some new lava. Then gravel came out of the ceiling. What a derp. But yeah, we got it. We made it. So yeah, let's put some stuff back in my chest. In my chest room. And there's another problem actually. And maybe not for now, but for the future. That this chest room is probably too small. Yeah, indeed, too small. What do we need? Oh yeah. It's probably too small because well, I don't actually have a reason, just because I have a lot of stuff. Why did I had the wall? Oh yeah. And let me see. I need to be here. No, this one. For that. Flint is here. Obsidian is here. Let's see. Let's put that away. We got some food. What else? Cocoa beans. Do I got a place for that? I don't know. Probably here. Yeah, I think that's right. Oh yeah, another thing you can do is but you have to consider in the tutorial is which layer was it? I think this one. You can place a lever here with behind it a repeater where you can like switch off the chicken cooker if you want, but I'm not gonna do that, so just let it be as it is. So let's get down here again, and I'm going to show you some stuff. Let me see, what else can I place here? No, I need to go down and place this. No, not here. Never mind. What else? Stone. I don't need stone right now, so let's place it back into the chest real quick. And I don't know, maybe when I upload this video we reach 200 subscribers, I hope, which is amazing. I really want to thank you guys for that, for subscribing and the support. So let's keep it going on. What else? You know what, I'm gonna do the rest off camera, and I'm gonna show you some stuff. So I need some food, and we are going to the Nether. By the way, I just placed 2 chickens in there, but you can have loads of more. But I'm not going to do that because I think that's going to create some really lag issues. But let's get to the Nether real quick. Ooh, it's raining. I hate raining. So I really want to know what happened to my horse, because I agree. I even had some name tag for him, and his name was going to be Rupert, but now I can't because he's dead. I need a new horse. So yeah, see this. This is what I've been doing off camera. Made some tunnels to GodCraft's base, to the iron farm, and maybe another direction one day. Someone's base or anything else is going to be in that direction. There's probably going to be a tunnel to there. But first, let's head to the iron farm, but I'm going to quick forward to it, so I'll see you guys in a second. Welcome back. We are almost at the farm, and as you guys see, the tunnel isn't finished yet because we need loads of quartz for this to for quartz blocks fill it in. But yeah, we're still working on it. So yeah, let's get in here. Oh, the rain. All those flowers, what the hell? 5, like, look at it. This is the iron farm, and it was a smart idea to put it here because this is spawn. This is where you spawn when you come on a server for the first time. And why we did this is because the spawn, or the chunk of the spawn, never it's always loaded, and that's why it actually keeps going on. But we don't know why it is, but it isn't as efficient as it should be. When we go AFK here, we get more than if we shouldn't AFK here, and we don't know why, but it is. So yeah, this is a iron farm. It's really simple actually. The only hard thing was to place the villagers in there, but it wasn't really hard. But there was a village, I don't know which direction it was. I think that one. That was a village, and we got the villagers from there, which was quite hard to do, but we made it. There's some stuff. There's the AFK place. So yeah, let's get back to the nether and go to our next farm, which is a little bit bigger, and it isn't finished yet, but you'll see that. So I'll see you guys in a second. Yeah, welcome back, and we're almost there, but I want to tell a small story about this. If you follow us on Twitter, me and GodCraft, you see what we've been doing the last week or weekend, and you saw some progress. But we have a small story. We want to go to a sea monument, like 3,000 blocks away from my base. When we got there, we didn't thought we wouldn't be there for so long because it was quite hard. Because we didn't prepare to go to the sea monument, not like you actually have to. We just went with our normal tools, and yeah, we spent there like a couple of days after that, and yeah, it's quite hard. But when we finally got a portal there, we went into the nether, and I went there to get some glowstone, and GodCraft, so he was just like wandering here, and suddenly he walked here and saw our tunnel here, which was good. So it was closer than we thought, which is good. But yeah, let's get to the farm, which isn't actually done yet. So sorry for that. Not sorry, but I hope you liked that story. So yeah, let's hop in and enjoy the view. So here it is. So as I told you, it's not finished yet because this whole cinema monument has to be removed, which we haven't even started doing. But yeah, let's get down there real quick so I can show you a little bit better. Whee! 360 no scope. Oh, that was deep. Yeah, so we spent some I think like a week here. No, not a week. Yeah, maybe a week. I don't know. Ew, stormy. So yeah, first we had to create this wall, which is placing sand around the whole sea monument, and then we had to divide it in like squares, and then with sponges, which we found in the sea monument. Wait, let me get there. What we first did actually before we even started this was explore this sea monument. We found some sponges, and we went to clear out the whole temple or the whole sea monument. So as you see, it's empty, like fully empty. There's no water. See, yeah, maybe a little bit, because there's something beneath the sea monument, but in the sea monument everything is empty, which is good, and it took us quite some times, and we've died quite a lot. You see, I've died 9 times, and well, then we created the wall, and then we started to create new walls into like squares, and then remove the water. That took some time. I think we've been busy for 2 days, something around that. And I think, when was it? Sunday or Monday for me, we finished it. We were done with this finally, which is good. Which was good. And yeah, now we didn't really want to spend some time here anymore for a couple of days, but because we were quite annoyed by only seeing this material here. But I think we're going to soon remove this place and build a farm, so we could be happy and get our sea lanterns really quick, because I hope, as it said in the video, it's going to be a really efficient farm. When you AFK here for an hour, it should have been 15,000 items, which is a lot. Imagine staying here for a couple of hours. You would have got a lot of sea lanterns, which is good. So yeah, let's get up here, and then I'm going to show you the last thing, which is GodCraft's base, because he kinda finished it, or finally he finished it on the outside. But there will be a link to his channel where you can see it, what he did. It was actually a really funny video, by the way. So yeah, let's get up here real quick and then enjoy the view again, and then I'm gonna fast forward to his base. So yeah, look at it. It's really big. It was such an horror being there. But yeah, I'm gonna fast forward, so I'll see you guys in a second. So we're almost there, and here it is. Here's his portal. So yeah, let's get in. It's really amazing what he built. Yeah, here we are. Welcome. I hope so. Look at it. Look at it. It's beautiful. Yeah. Look. This is why the tunnel isn't finished yet, because he used a lot of quartz here. As you can see, look at it. How many quartz? It could have been put in better use by using it in a tunnel, but yeah, that's my opinion. And look, his sheep. He hasn't named it yet, but because we got 2 name tags, I think he's going to name it. By the way, I thought he had a horse too. Let me see. Oh, here it is. I don't know what it's called, but yeah, it's this horse. Cool. Ew, it got a diamond. Wait. Oh, yeah. So yes, this is his house, or his thing. Well, if you could down here, he didn't really make something special, but he is about to. He's going to make his chest room, I think, in the next video. So let's see, what did he do? Maybe a small sneak peek. Ew. So yeah, there's probably going to be his chest room, which is going to be amazing. I saw his design on his design world. Looks pretty cool. So yeah, I think that's going to be this episode. I don't know if it's going to be shorter with all the cutting or editing. So I hope you like this video. Please, if you do, leave a like and a comment, and maybe tell us what you think about our farms and everything. Oh yeah, one thing, and that is we enable play ads. So when we kill each other, we get play ads, which is really cool. I got 2 hats now right now, my own, and one of GodCraft, because first of all we kill each other to get our own hats, but then I killed GodCraft and I got his hat right now, so I got 2 hats, which are in my bedroom actually, which I didn't show you, but that doesn't matter. Maybe I'll show you in a later video. And yeah, so yeah, let's end it in this base. And enjoy the view of sundown or sunset. Oh yeah, let's get into the tree. I hope it isn't too dark for you. Oh, I thought I was gonna die. I'm gonna fall. No, I'm not gonna climb that. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, and please leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.